So your online business experience probably resumes itself to low monthly retainers, 12-hour plus work days, a bunch of stress, and just pinching pennies, okay? Having insanely low margins. Now, what if I told you that no matter the business you run, whether it's online or even a traditional business, that you can actually 5 to 10x your profitability, your efficiency, and your revenue in the next 12 to 24 months by leveraging AI, okay? There's a reason why this is the #1 trend right now in today's marketplace. And in this video, I'll cover in depth why I came to this conclusion, how you should, like myself, take advantage of this trend, and number 3, how you can actually go ahead, implement it, get started, all that good stuff. Okay, by the way, if you don't know me, my name is Edgar. I've been running an agency since I've been 18 years old. I'm currently 21, made over $200,000 online before the age of 20. Now, a couple months ago, I started my second company, which is an AI service company called Camilla.ai, where we essentially implement an omni-channel lead management system into businesses dealing with over 200 leads a month to ensure increased efficiency, increased margins, increased profitability, and more revenue in general at the end of the year on their bottom line. If you get any value from this video, please go ahead, consider subscribing down below and liking the video. It helps a bunch with the YouTube algorithm. And we're on a mission to revamp the entire AI industry. So if you want to be a part of it, subscribe. Let's get right into the video. So quick backstory as to why I actually went into the AI industry. I was just your normal SMMA paid ads agency owner, onboarding a couple of clients every single month, increasing my revenue every single month, but realizing after more than a year of doing so in more than 10 niches in a bunch of different industries with a bunch of different people and consumers and B2B and all that stuff, a bunch of different offers, realizing that at the end of the day, no matter what I do, because I'm simply super late on the trend. Remember, paid ads agency really boomed at around 2020, so 2 years before I actually hopped on the trend and started my own agency. So by the time that I'm right now trying to scale the business, you just have to deal with decreased profit from every single customer, but increased amount of costs associated to delivering the service, since you have to provide a service that that person has never experienced before. So you have to get better results for half the pay, which just doesn't make sense on paper. Now, this is where AI comes in, because as I was looking into the AI trend coming up on early this year, 2024 in March, I saw 16-year-olds, 18-year-olds, 20-year-olds, 25-year-olds, heck, any people of different age groups making 10x the output with probably the same, if not even less, even half of the input, which is all the costs associated, ads and promotion and marketing that we were doing, but they were getting 10x the output, which begged the question, what are these people doing differently? And the response every single time, and the answer was always AI. They were implementing AI. And the truth of the matter is, if by 2025, no matter your industry, whether it's agency, online business, or traditional service-based business, if you are not actively implementing AI to automate, your margins are going to be smaller than your competition, and your revenue will be smaller as a result, since they will take more market share, and that is a guarantee. So now you're probably asking yourself, well, Edgar, this is all well and good. Now you've made the switch to AI, you offer AI as a service, but if I don't want to offer AI as a service, if I just want to scale my business, then what should I do in regards to implementing AI? And that's a valid question. So the answer to that is these next 3 things. Write them down, but apply them as soon as possible. So number 1 is you want to audit what you're currently doing, the services you're providing, the systems you're using to run your business on the day-to-day, your operations, your team, every single task that is performed by either a staff member or yourself, or a system or an automation in your business. You want to look at that and audit what you can actually AI automate, and that can be done for a fraction of the cost. An easy way to do this, if you're not a programmer or a developer, is go to ChatGPT. Tell them what you're doing, how you're running your business, what are the softwares, and then ask it to recommend other softwares, AI softwares that is, that can replace that for a fraction of the cost and help your team members take care of other tasks how you should allocate your resources combined with AI to essentially get bigger outputs for the same or less inputs. Secondly is, as you will probably realize once doing this process, is frankly 99.9% of AI softwares out there do not work. The reason for that is you have to be a developer, a software engineer, someone that's tech savvy to make them work, because they require a bunch of prompting and a bunch of testing to make it actually work. And combine that with, if you're calling the proper script, the learning curve can be 6, 8, 10 to 12 months. So what you're gonna do secondly is go and work with a quality company like us here at Camilo.ai. If you wanna check us out, just speak with us. No sales pitch, no nothing, just a demo discovery call. Click the first link down below and we'll be happy to assist you. But essentially, even if it's not us, you have to do your research into which softwares are the best and then how you can actually get someone to prompt it, test it, and do all that, back end stuff to actually make it work well for your customers. And finally, you just want to get started. Like I said earlier in this video, if you don't use AI by 2025, early 2025, then you are severely costing you and your business hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars, depending on the size of your business. So please apply those 3 steps, and I will see you in the next video.